Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change unit in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, find for the option named Default Unit and click on it. Here you will find two options, one is BTC and another is bits. You can switch between them just by simply tapping on it. Here I have selected bits, so as you can see that my unit has been changed to bits. To change it back on to the BTC, click on the default unit and click on BTC option. As you can see that it has been changed to BTC. So that is how you can change unit in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.